Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Mozilla Firefox browser is completely blocking a website and displaying the SEC error OCSP future response message, it means your computer's internal clock is out of sync with the internet, tricking the browser into thinking the website's security certificate has not been activated yet. I will show you exactly how to sync your time and fix this connection right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute most common cause for this specific future response error is that your computer's internal calendar is accidentally set to a date in the past. To fix this on Windows, right-click directly on the time and date display in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time from the menu. When the settings window opens, look for the toggle switch explicitly labeled Set Time Automatically. Turn this switch completely off, wait about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. Click the Sync Now button directly beneath it to force your computer to pull the exact current time from Microsoft's global servers. Restart your Firefox browser, and the website should now load perfectly. Next, if your clock is perfectly accurate, but the website is still blocked, the site's server might be broadcasting a glitchy security timestamp. You can temporarily tell Firefox to ignore this specific check. Open your Firefox browser, click the 3-line hamburger menu in the top right corner, and click on Settings. Select Privacy and Security on the left side of the screen, and scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you find the Certificates section. Look for the checkbox explicitly labeled Query OCSP Responder Servers to confirm the current validity of certificates. Uncheck this box to turn the strict verification completely off, then reload your broken web page. Just remember to turn this back on later for maximum daily security. Finally, if you fix your time in Windows, but it randomly resets back to the past every single time you restart your computer, your motherboard's physical CMOS battery is completely dead and needs to be replaced. This small, silver, coin-sized battery keeps your system clock ticking even when the computer is unplugged. Completely power off your PC and unplug it from the wall. Open your computer case and look for a shiny silver coin-sized battery on the main circuit board, usually a standard CR2032 model. Carefully pop it out with a non-conductive tool, snap a brand new battery into the slot, and boot your computer back up. Set your correct time one last time, and your Firefox browser will never trigger this date error again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.